And observations is the best key here. Parang stay silence is the best key, and it's the best weapon to you at that moment, rather than rushing into a actions or making some impulsive decisions. To take step back, no? Parang yan the message is actually to even so extreme and aggressive na on the situations, you need to step back a little bit and stay silent and observe, because that will win you. Okay? So this might be the time to observe your surroundings, and for insight, parang pay close attentions to what's happening around you, both externally and internally, no? So what informations you might gonna gathered on that kind of situations, no? Parang, and the next is, let's say na wait for right moment, no? Parang do not force your situations,